Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Say hi to Corey. Say hi to all those guys. So Santa brought me a 2-cart and finally I get to wheel my tools out of the garage in style. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Ooh, bunch of different parts here. All right, guys, this is everything that comes in the box. You have your bottom piece, middle piece, top piece, your drawer with some keys, instructions, some hardware, some hooks, your pull handle. You have your casters. These are fixed and these swivel. You have your post for the sides. This part is so you can hang, screwdrivers and stuff. And then you have the sides here where you're gonna hook up your drawer because these guys slide in and out, okay? So let's put it together. All right, we're gonna start with the bottom piece. You know it's the bottom piece because it has the holes, the 4 holes in each corner for the casters. So what we're gonna do is install those first. These are your casters, and the instructions don't tell you anything about what to use, but they say there's 16 of these in the bag, so I'm assuming these are for these guys. So let's start putting these guys together. All right, guys. So you're gonna put the 2 fixed ones on one side and the 2 swivel ones with the locks. These guys lock up too. They go on one side too. All right, guys, when you put these on, you're just gonna put a flat washer. You're gonna put a lock washer and then your nut. Check it out. All the casters are on. They're just hand tight right now because you want to be able to, move this around and try to get these bolts through the holes. So just put them hand tight first. If you noticed, the nuts are on the bottom here. They look much neater from the top. But over here, the nuts are on the top. So you need to put the bolts through the bottom here because otherwise you won't be able to swivel this around, okay? It's the only bad thing about this. But we have some extra washers. And now it's time to tighten these up. These are, I'm gonna use a 14mm socket and a wrench to hold it from the bottom. All right, guys, when you're tying these up, don't over tighten them because it's been in my experience, these Chinese bolts and nuts are not the greatest. So you don't want to strip them. Next, we gotta put on these posts on each corner. The top is gonna have 4 holes. The bottom, only 2, because it's gonna go right in the corner like that, using these guys, okay? There's no washers or lock washers with this. All right, all 4 of these are up. Just hand tying them, okay? Don't tighten anything up until everything's put together. Next, it's gonna put in this middle tray, and that's gonna go into, let's see, to this hole right here. All right, guys, when you put this middle drawer, it's probably a good idea to have somebody help you. Just hold it in place as you put these screws on, at least a few of them, to get you started. All right, the middle tray is in. When you put on these screws, make sure the flat part is on the outside. You don't want these nuts sticking out on the other side. On the outside, it's gonna look ugly. So next we're gonna put on these sliders. It doesn't matter which side you want the drawer to come out. Right now I have it so it swivels in the front. So I'm gonna make the drawer come out this way, but you could also do it the other side. I don't think it matters. So the sliders are gonna go on top. So I'm gonna put it here like that. So this drawer slides out this way. And it gets held on by the screws on these 4 holes. And this side is gonna go on this side. Again, the drawer's gonna slow that way. All right, the sides are in. And again, depending on how your drawer is gonna come out, mine's gonna come out this way, so I call this the front. There's a little tab on here for the top tray. See that? That's for the lock, so make sure that's in the front. So it's just gonna go on like that. When you put on the top drawer, just don't put on the screws. You need to put this on with it. So you're gonna put it in like that. Put the screws right through here. On this side, you get the handle. Same thing. These guys are gonna go here, and you put everything together. Okay. All right, I'm putting these side ones first. All right, I'll put all these side pieces first. Over here and over here, here. And now it'll be easier for me to put these guys in. All right, when you put the handles for this, the holes are gonna go, it's gonna go like this. There you go, like that. But you need to put in the nuts going here. Looks like a little slot for them. Like that. So this screw is gonna go from the inside. Okay, so you're gonna put it in like that. All right, these screws are too short to put this handle on. So they give you these extra 4 right here. Again, the instructions don't tell you this, so you have to figure this out on your own. Now that it's all put together, it's time to tighten up all the screws and nuts. Use a Phillips head for the screws and a 10mm for the nuts, okay? All right, next slide these guys out. And you're going to install your drawer. So with these guys, just slide these guys in here. So just line them up. Make sure they're in there. And then there you go. All right, guys, everything's tightened up, and she's rolling pretty nice. It comes with these 4 hooks. These go on the side here. Let's see, like that. And you could hang some stuff from it. Nice. You have this tray. You could hang your screwdrivers and stuff from it. You have your tray, and they give you keys in case you want to lock it up. These were leftover hardware. The useless instructions, and you have the nice handle here. These wheels, you can lock these wheels like that. You push them down, and now this thing won't move on you. To release them, you just push them back up, and now you can roll again. They say it has a 400-pound weight capacity, so that means this tray holds 100, this one 100, the drawer holds 100 pounds. And the top tray holds 100 pounds, which is not bad. I'm never gonna put that much weight on it, but it's good to know. They go for less than $100. I think it's pretty good for the money. I'm going to leave a link in the video description in case you want to go check it out. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.